What happens when a young shepherd boy faces a 9-foot-tall warrior? One is armed with strength, armor, and experience. The other, only faith. But in the battle of David versus Goliath, strength alone is not enough. This isn't just a battle of weapons, it's a battle of faith. The year is around 1025 BC. The Israelites and the Philistines stand locked in a tense standoff. The battlefield? In a valley known as Elah, and leading the Philistines is a man unlike any other, Goliath of Gath. A giant, nearly 10 feet tall. His bronze armor alone weighs more than most men. His spear, the size of a weaver's beam. And for 40 days, he taunts Israel's army, daring them to send a champion. No one dares to fight him. The fear is too great. The enemy is too strong, and yet, miles away, a young shepherd boy, the youngest of 8 brothers, has no idea that he is about to change history forever. David is not a soldier. He is not trained for war. He is here to bring food to his brothers. But when he arrives, he hears something that shakes him to his core. He hears Goliath mocking the army of Israel, mocking God himself. And David is outraged. Who is this Philistine that he should defy the armies of the living God? He asks. His brothers mock him. Go back to your sheep, little shepherd. But David's fire is not easily put out. King Saul hears about this bold young man. But when he sees David, he is doubtful. You are just a boy, Saul tells him. Goliath has been a warrior since his youth, but David tells Saul something incredible. When a lion or bear came after my sheep, I struck it down. The same God who saved me then will save me now. David does something unthinkable. He refuses the king's armor. Instead, he picks up 5 smooth stones from a brook. No sword. No shield. Only faith. Goliath roars with laughter. Am I a dog, that you come at me with sticks? But David does not waver. Then, he speaks words that will echo through history. You come to me with sword and spear, but I come to you in the name of the Lord Almighty. This battle is the Lord's, and he will deliver you into my hands. With one motion, he lets the stone fly. It whizzes through the air, straight toward the giant's forehead. The impossible has happened. The Philistines flee in terror. A shepherd boy has defeated the mightiest warrior with a single stone. But what does this story on 1 Samuel chapter 17 in the Bible teach us today? 1. God uses the unlikely. David was young and small. 2. True strength comes from faith, not weapons. 3. Every giant in life, fear, doubt, obstacles, can be defeated with trust in God. Your giant may not be a warrior, but we all face battles, fear, doubt, struggles. But like David, you are not alone. The battle belongs to the Lord. What's the giant in your life? What battle are you facing? Remember, faith, not fear, wins the fight. Comment below and let's encourage each other. And if you found this message powerful, follow, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today.